Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for the Diversity Visa DV program. So first head over to the DV program website at dvprogram.state.gov, and in here you can find all the details that you need to apply. Now let's check the photo requirements. Your photo needs to be sharp, clear, and the right size. It would be 600 by 600 pixels and no smaller than 54 KB. You can use the photo tool on the website to crop it correctly. And once your photo is ready, click on begin entry, solve the CAPTCHA, and start filling in your details. You also need to enter your last name, first name, no middle name, just choose Zenda, and your birth details. So for the city, only use the city name. If you are unsure, you can look it up, select your country of birth and the country that you're applying from. So this should be the same. Next, upload your photo, provide your mailing address, or use a P.O. box. So this is optional. Include the city, district, country, and postal code. Enter your phone number, email, highest level of education, marital status, and the number of children, if applicable. And then double check everything before you submit. After verification, click submit, and then you'll receive a confirmation number, and make sure to print this for future reference. And that's it. You've successfully applied for the DV program. No need for a third party to help you out. Your chances are the same whether you do it yourself or pay someone else. So thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.